Hello guys. Di-discuss natin for today is about the introduction to C Sharp. So, let's start. And what is C Sharp? So, C Sharp is pronounced as C Sharp. This is a modern object-oriented and type-safe programming language developed by Microsoft. So, it was developed by Microsoft. So, it is designed for building a wide range applications. Right now, ginagamit ito para mag-design at paggawa ng iba't ibang applications. Ginagamit din siya paggawa ng web, ng desktop, mobile apps, gaming apps, and cloud-based solutions. So, C Sharp is a part of .NET ecosystem and runs on the Common Language Runtime, which is also known as CLR. So next is the history of C Sharp. So in 1999, development began as a part of Microsoft's .NET initiative, and around 2000, officially announced and released with the first version of .NET framework. So the lead architect for C Sharp is Anders Hellsberg, who also contributed to Turbo Pascal and Delphi. So the name origin of the C sharp is inspired by musical notation, where C sharp indicates a higher pitch. It also suggests that C sharp is an evolution of C and CSS. So, evolution daw ng C language and C++ language C sharp. So, mas upgraded siya, mas marami siyang nilalaman dito. So, over time, C sharp has evolved through multiple versions of adding advanced features and tools. So, ano ba ang mga key features ng C Sharp? So, simple and modern. It is designed to simply complex tasks and reduce errors. So, it includes features like garbage collection and autonomy memory management. So, ano ba yung OPP? So, OPP is a principle like inheritance, polymorphism, escapsulation, and abstraction. So, ano na mga type safeties nito? It minimizes the bugs by ensuring the data is strictly defined and handled. And interoperability, so nakakabulol siya. Can interact with other languages and systems, especially with those within sa loob ng net ecosystem. So, which library support the net framework or the net core provides libraries for file handling and networking data access and more. So, ano ba yung mga cross-platform nito with .NET Core and .NET 5.6.7, C# applications can run daw sa mga Windows, macOS, Linux, and even mobile platforms. Iba't ibang mobile platforms. So, ano ba mga mobile platforms? Ayun yung mga Facebook, so mga medias na ginagamitan natin. So, asynchronous programming. It is built-in support for asynchronous method using async and await. So, ano ba yung mga major applications? As I said before, may mga applications ang ginagamit. Application ang ginagamit ng C Sharp. So, web application. So, paggawa ng web. So, isasabi dito na ASP.NET is a popular framework for building scalable web apps and APIs. So, desktop applications, so Windows Forms and WPF, Windows Presentation and Foundation, and mobile applications, Xamarin and .NET MAUI allow cross-platform mobile app development. So, sa game development naman is Unity, one of the more popular game engines. So, uses C# as its primary scripting language. So, ginagamitan talaga siya ng iba't ibang gamit ang C# sa paggawa ng games, paggawa ng mga applications. Marami talaga, ito talaga yung parang foundation na paggagawa ng mga applications and so on. So, cloud-based application and IoT and AI supports. So, ayun na, yung evolution ng C# is 1.1 is introduced siya noong 2000 with basic object-oriented features lamang. And ang C# 2.0 is added generics, nullable types, and iterators. About around 3.0 introduced LinQ, which is the language integrated query, Lambda expressions, and extensions methods. So, Nung 4.0 naman, nag-add sila ng typing and name arguments. Ay, yung mga arguments, pag-aaralan din natin yan. So, introduce asynchronous programming with async and await, and modern features like pattern matching, tuples, records, and more. So, ano ba at mga... So, next naman is yung advantages ng C Sharp. So, C Sharp is, sinasabi dito is easy to learn, especially for developers with C++ or Java experience. So, madali lang daw itong pag-aralan kung may experience ka sa C++ at Java at sa Java scripting. So, strong integration with Microsoft tools and services. So, may mga tools na tayong ginagamit kasi provided na siya ng mismong Microsoft. Meron na tayong Visual Studio, yung talagang paggagawa ng C Sharp. So, backed by a large community and rich documents. So, sabi dito na talagang suportado siya ng community. So, hindi siya nagkakaroon ng kung ano mang problema. Saka highly trusted siyang language. So, computer language. So, bakit ba natin kailangan matutunan ng C Sharp? So, versatility kasi first of all, the versatility, build almost anything from web apps to games. So, C Sharp, kasabi ko nga kanina, ang C Sharp is ginagawa niya kung ano yung makikita natin sa mga websites, mga apps, mga games. Talagang paggawa ng mga yan is mostly C Sharp na talaga. So, career opportunities widely used in the software industry. Also, isasabi dito na dahil nga na nagde-develop na yung mundo natin around computer, so naghahanap na ng mga companies na mga marunong gumamit ng gantong language. So, mas mataas yung pagkuha mo ng pag-achieve mo na trabaho pagka ginamit mo pag natutunan mo ang C Sharp. So, growth, regular updates, and modern features keep it relevant. So let's go to the conclusion of that is C Sharp is a powerful, versatile programming language that has stood the test of time, evolving to meet the needs of developers. So habang tumatagal siya, nag-evolve siya na nag-evolve, gumaganda siya na gumaganda, palakas siya na palakas. Whether you're building games, apps, or cloud solutions, C Sharp provides tools and features necessary for modern software development. So C Sharp na talaga ang ginagamit natin sa paggagawa ng games, sa apps, at cloud solution sa mga storages. So, kung ano man maisip niyo dyan, mostly ginagamitan na traditional C Sharp. So, sasabi rin dito na it provides tools daw and features necessary for modern software development. So, pinoprovide na mismo ng C Sharp ang lahat para sa paggawa ng software natin at pagde-develop ng software natin. So, yun lang for the introduction ng C Sharp, and sana may natutunan kayo kahit papaano. Salamat!